Hey campers, we're in Ricketts Glen, Pennsylvania. Well, like I said, we are in Ricketts Glen, and we are on yet another hike to see some waterfalls. But let me recap you on what's been going on. It's been a couple of 3 days since our last video. We went to northern Maine and stayed at a campground up in Lubbock, and then went to see a lighthouse that is the easternmost point of the United States, which is pretty cool. We've been to the southernmost point of the United States. Now we've been to the easternmost point. Fun fact, it is the closest point to Africa in the continental United States. So even though you might think Florida might be closer, I've seen the map and the data, and they are correct. It is closer to Africa. Left there, went down and went to Kennebunkport. I had another lobster dinner. Lobster scampi this time, a little different. And we went and saw the wedding cake house, which that was pretty cool. We went to Hartford, Connecticut, saw the Capitol building. It was a Sunday, so it was closed, so we only got some pictures of the outside, but that was pretty cool. It was like a medieval castle. I don't think we've ever seen a Capitol building that looked quite like that one. Then drove through all kinds of construction and traffic jams and everything to try to get farther west. And a lot of cars, a lot of people out here. And now we are hiking down to see some waterfalls. From what it sounds like, what it looks like on the map, there's going to be quite a few of them. So this may be one of those videos where I give you an hour of waterfalls. I don't think it'll be that long, but we'll see what we see. If you're not into waterfalls, which first, what's wrong with you? There must be something messed up in your life. Go see a doctor. You may want to just stop this video now and go play a game of Parcheesi or something, because I think that's all this video is going to be. It's just one dang waterfall after another. That's a lot of stairs. And the thing is, we're going to have to go back up all those stairs, because this is an out and back. There is no loop. There is a loop, but part of the trail is closed off. I don't know, something's wrong with it. So we're going to have to go back up the way we came. Okay, me and Vicki discussed it, and I think it's official. I think this is the most waterfalls we've seen on one single hike in all of our travels. Another fun fact, if you're a person like me that suffers from tinnitus, if you have this constant ringing in your ears, if you stand next to waterfalls, even fairly loud brooks, you can't hear the ringing. It's kind of a nice relief. Well, we've gone down and seen all the major waterfalls in this. We could keep going a little farther, but just a few other waterfalls, and then there's another valley that we could go up, and there's a few on that one. But we're just thinking about this climb we have to make back out of here. And I think we're deciding it's time to head back up. So we're going to do that. And for you, it'll probably be like that. Just kidding. We're taking a break. Okay, here we go. See? That was quick, wasn't it? Boy, that was a lot of waterfalls. That was, I think our record for number of waterfalls on one hike. Really cool. If you're ever in the middle of Pennsylvania, Ricketts Glen, wow. This is definitely worth a stop. This is worth going a little out of your way to stop for this hike. There was more. We didn't do it all, but I think we did enough of it that we feel satisfied, and we've got a long drive ahead of us today, so we are going to clean up best we can and hit the road. Catch you later.